Hey, I want to take just a moment to talk about an idea that's taken from my book, Rich is Good, Wealthy is Better. Have you ever wondered how one person can make $1 million, lose it, make a second million, lose that, then make a third million, while another person could work hard, 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 but never quite hit the mark and never quite make ends meet? Well, the answer is that those who can continuously make millions do it because they know the recipe. And just as there's a recipe for making a great cake or pie, there's a recipe for success. And once you know it, you can replicate it over and over again. Recipes are written for a reason, to give you a roadmap to achieve your goals and your dreams. For 20 years, I've been learning from the greatest wealth creators of our time who I've interviewed on my Willie Jolley Wealthy Ways show on Sirius XM and my podcast on all podcast platforms. And I decided to write those lessons down and give it to people everywhere as a recipe, as a roadmap. And the roadmap starts with your mindset. That's right. Shifting your thinking about money and wealth. And I'm excited about the response. Chapter number 8 in Rich is Good, Wealthy is Better says, if you want to grow your wealth, you must first grow yourself. So I want to encourage you to grow yourself so you can grow your wealth. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Hey, visit my website at winwithwillie.com, winwithwillie.com, or go to richisgoodwealthyisbetter.com, get a free chapter from the book, and then share this video with everybody you know. And remember to make the most of each and every minute, because your best is still yet to come. Have a great day.